And first and foremost, dogma one is the belief that nature is mechanical or machine-like. This has been the foundational principle of science since the beginning of modern science in the 17th century. Mechanistic science is based on the machine metaphor. Nature is a machine. Stars are machines. Animals and plants are machines. That's why you can have industrial agriculture, genetic engineering, factory farming, and so on. They're just machines. And we're machines too, lumbering robots, in Richard Dawkins' vivid phrase, with brains that are genetically programmed computers. The second dogma is the total amount of matter and energy is always the same, except at the moment of the Big Bang when it all appeared from nowhere. Then the third dogma is similar to that. The laws of nature are fixed. The laws and constants of the world are the same today as they were at the moment of the Big Bang, when they all suddenly appeared like a kind of cosmic Napoleonic code. As Terence McKenna used to say, modern science is based on the principle, give us one free miracle and we'll explain the rest. And the one free miracle is the appearance of all the matter and energy in the universe and all the laws that govern it from nothing in a single instant. The fourth dogma is that matter is unconscious. The universe is made up of totally unconscious matter. Fifth, nature is purposeless. There are no purposes in nature, and the evolutionary process has no purpose or direction. Sixth, biological inheritance is material. It's genetic in the genetic material DNA, or possibly in epigenetic modifications of the DNA, which are also chemical, or in cytoplasmic inheritance, but at any rate, it's all material. 7, memories are stored as material traces inside the brain. Everything you remember is somewhere inside your head as a stored memory, either in phosphorylated proteins, modified synapses, or some material form which has not yet been fully identified. So the details are very vague. Attempts to find these traces have failed over and over again, but nevertheless, it's universally believed within neuroscience that they're all inside the brain. Dogma 8, the mind is inside the head. Mental activity is brain activity. Your mind is nothing but what goes on in your brain. Dogma 9 follows from dogma 8. Psychic phenomena are illusory. Things like telepathy can't really happen because they would imply the mind can work at a distance from the body, and it can't do that because it's all inside the head. And dogma 10, mechanistic medicine is the only kind that really works. Alternative and complementary therapies may appear to work, but that's only because people would have got better anyway, or it's all the placebo effect. But the real kind, the only kind that really works, is mechanistic medicine, which is why in most parts of the world it's the only kind taught in medical schools, it's the only kind funded by government funding agencies, and so on.